All right, so Wick and I are using my Mercedes-Benz spring compressor on Peter's Thunderbird here for class. We want to see if we can draw the spring up enough to pull it without getting crazy. Wick, that's looking pretty good. I hope it does it enough without running out. It's starting to pull down. You're gonna have to basically coil bind it, it looks like, Wick. But I mean, it's at the point now, like where the top. If not, we might have to try to go one more coil before and after. Ooh, that's
just moved.
That's a positive thing. It's loose now. It's loose. We might have to try to go one and one more.
Right.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see how much oomph we can put behind it.
It's pretty tight.
All right, you want to let it go, and we'll try it in the other one.
You have to greet everyone.
She should get a job at Walmart, like old people. But it's gonna do it, I think. We just gotta be creative. Yeah, if I can get one more coil, if I can get one and one, that'll be really good.
You know, while we have it up, should we try to put a spacer in there to give you more room?
Retain it.
Yeah.
Like put some shit in there to hold it. Yeah, we could do that. But where? Because I need to go here and I need to go here. Yeah.
Get it out of there.
Yeah. So let's let her go, and then, even if I can get the top one in up one more.
It moved right there. We don't need a whole lot.
It didn't fully relieve it, but it's close. Fuck yeah. Right. Yeah, because there's a lot of thread. You know, you had to take up a lot to do it. So let me fuck with this, and then we'll be right back. All right, so Wick and I moved it. We got it up one and down one, so we're gonna have more compression. I think we're gonna be good. I think what we'll do is we'll get it off of there, and then we'll pull it out when everybody else gets here. But at least we know the whole process then. Yeah, we're just trying to make sure. Oh yeah, you're totally gonna get it. You know why? You're pulling it off the top seat now. There you go. There you go. Keep going. It's gonna hit me in the face first.
Not in your face at the same time.
People probably pay extra for that. We had to do an duo because those girls. Oh, dude, yeah. You're spinning the spring. There you go. Go, Zimmerman. Go, Zimmerman. Go, Zimmerman. Go, Zimmerman. It's your birthday. All right. There. Okay, so let's stop there. So we have it ready for everybody. Leave your ratchet up there, but yeah, dude, check it out.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it. Nice. I knew I had the chingaderas.
Yeah, so you got new, sorry,
Got new rubbers. I don't think we'll get that far this week, but dude, look at that. It's brand new up there. It still has paint.
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Good job, Mike. We'll return to this when everybody gets here.